guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Marilyn if you're new here. So it is currently Friday night. It's March 18th and it's a Friday night and it's like 10 p.m. I kind of ate dinner late. I actually went to the gym and I'm still like sweaty from the gym. I'm having a self-care night tonight because I've just been feeling so sleepy. Not really necessarily that I've been like really lacking sleep, but I think it's just like the combo of the weathers. It's been like really rainy here and I don't know, maybe my sleep could be a bit better. I'm very excited to have a good sleep tonight, but I am doing a Friday night self-care night. They are so underrated because staying in on a Friday night, like I know it's kind of 50-50, like you go out on a Friday night or should I stay in on a Friday night? Staying in on a Friday night, the feeling I swear is just like unmatched. Just like feels so good to end your week off on a really relaxing note. And that's what I'm doing tonight because I'm just like really in need of it. School has been draining me and I feel very run down. I'm not really digging myself lately. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of like beauty self-care and I really need to shower. My hair is like really gross and dirty. So I'm going to shower and wash my hair. I'm gonna be doing what's called a everything shower, which is gonna take forever. Like I'm gonna be in there for probably 45 minutes, but I'm okay with that. Get into my PJs and my slippers and get all cozy. And then I'm gonna do a bunch of extra stuff. Like it's gonna be the ultimate self-care night, you guys. I wanna do like a face mask. Maybe like a sheet mask would be nice. I will figure it out, but I'm doing an everything shower right now. It's gonna take a while and then it's chill night tonight. It's a self-care night for me. Before I get in the shower, let's talk about some products that I really like using, especially for like when I have an everything shower and I do the whole shebang. I want to show you guys the products that I really like using for like exfoliating, shaving, etc. Just everything. So first up is the Necessaire Trio. So we've got the body lotion, which I use when I get out of the shower, the eucalyptus body wash, which I use when I'm in the shower, and then the eucalyptus body exfoliator. I use the exfoliator before I shave just to like get off like the dead skin and like make my skin really smooth. This is probably like the best thing you could buy, I think, from Necessaire. This is so good. I just love how my skin feels after using this. Like this is a must. I have a code for Necessaire. I'll put it in the description box for you guys to get a little discount because this trio is amazing. All the ingredients are natural and it's just so worth it. Like my skin feels so good using all three of these together. Next up, for shampoo and conditioner, which I will be washing my hair tonight, I use this Pureology shampoo and conditioner. One of my best friends just became a hairstylist and she's been cutting my hair and like giving me hair care recommendations, which has been like amazing. So I'm so lucky to have a friend who's like really knowledgeable about that stuff and that can cut my hair and knows me really well. But the shampoo I use is their like pure volume one, which is the one she recommended for me. And then she also recommended the Smooth Perfection conditioner, and this conditioner is like thick, like it is nice. I love this conditioner. This has been working really well for me so far. Also, I actually have like toned my hair before because I actually used to have highlights and then I was like, I kind of want to be brunette, so I ended up toning my hair, and this is like for treated hair, so this has been good and I've been liking these products. For shaving products, I use the Skintimate shaving cream, and then I just use these like men's razors. I don't know what the brand is, but my mom gets them in like a really big pack from Costco and they work for me. Men's razors, the reason why I use them is because I heard they're like better and you get like a closer shave, and I actually notice a difference versus like women's razors, so I've been liking that and it's been working for me. Last but not least, I really like this First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser. I actually have like keratosis paralysis, I think that's what it's called, on like my arms, and I've had it growing up. This is really good for that. You can kind of use this as an exfoliator for like your body. If you have bumps anywhere, honestly, I feel like it'd be really good, but I really like this and I've been using it for a long time now. So yeah, I love this First Aid Beauty product. I think this is my favorite First Aid Beauty product that I own. I think that's everything for now, and then like other products I will just mention after my shower. It's time to get clean. Amazing. I just got out and I was actually wearing this robe that I got from a skincare company called GM Colin. It says it. They sent this robe to me and I was wearing it, but I was way too hot. It's like so steamy in here, so I had to change my PJs. But I just did all my body care stuff for like out of the shower, and now I'm gonna do my skincare. And I just have my hair in a little clip. just gonna kind of like fast forward through my nighttime skincare routine because I feel like I've shown you guys like so many times like what I use. And I have a skincare routine. Well, it's kind of like older, but you can watch it. And I did like an actual full video on my morning and nighttime skincare routine. And then like my past videos, if you haven't watched them yet, especially my night routine, I actually did like my full nighttime skincare in that video, so check that out. I actually just completely forgot that I was gonna do dermaplaning, but that's okay. I'll just forget about that. Instead, I'm gonna use this face mask tonight. I think it's just like a Korean sheet mask. And then I'm gonna use a jade roller and do that at the same time. And then the other thing I wanted to mention is that every product that I mentioned in this video and like all my other videos as well, I always link them down below. So everything I talk about in this video is gonna be linked in the description and you guys can check it out. So yeah, I just wanted to give you that little reminder. I always link my products in all my videos. Okay, so this mask is specifically for regeneration is what it says on the cover. Oh, here. It's a bamboo sheet mask with Cica to promote skin revitalization. Powerful nutrients work to reduce redness and prevent future damage. I feel like sheet masks are so funny because they make you look so scary or just so funny. I also already applied my serums. I don't know if that's like a good or a bad thing. Yo, this is so wet. Bro, why is it so wet? She's on, except this top part. The mouth part, I swear, is the funniest. And I swear I always see, I look like a boy, girls going like this. Wait, that feels so good. I literally wish that I had a sheet mask for like every day. Wow. It's like kind of cold too. I'm supposed to leave this mask on for like 10 to 20 minutes. But wow, there is so much stuff in this. Like it is such a wet sheet mask. I don't think I've ever used a sheet mask this wet before, but that just means it has a lot of good stuff. I guess I'll just do this and I'll come back to you guys when I take it off. I don't know how long it's been, but I'm just gonna take it off. I just want to make sure I like rub it all in. But it still feels like it's just sitting on my face right now. I'm just jade rolling the rest of it into my face now. That really did feel nice. I also kind of been feeling like my skin has been needing some like extra love, you know, because I wear my mask like when I go to school and my classes and stuff. So I feel like my skin has been needing to breathe and just like needing extra hydration. Even my eyes, I don't know what's up with my eyes, but my under eyes have been just like so dark. And I actually don't know, like maybe I haven't been getting the best sleep because every day this week I've been waking up feeling still really tired. So maybe I am lacking sleep and it's really just showing, you know. And that's why sleep is like so important for you, just like going about your day to day and having enough energy to accomplish things you want to accomplish in your day. So sleep is like really important and it's something that I'm like constantly trying to get better at, just like having a better sleep routine and schedule, because I always tend to go to bed pretty late, which is not good, but I feel like naturally that's like what I want to do. And I really want to try and like implement no phone in my room or like for a certain amount before I go to sleep. So like I put my phone away maybe like 30 minutes before I go to sleep or something like that, just to like wind down, because I feel like the blue light definitely keeps me up. I want to use some moisturizer. Not like I have enough moisture on my face, but I definitely want to finish with an actual cream. I actually currently am empty on my CeraVe moisturizer, so I'm gonna use something else tonight. I'm gonna use this little mini First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream that I have, and this morning I used this, but I used like way too much, so my skin feels like so refreshed right now. Gotta brush the eyebrows as well. I'm also kind of running out of this Babe Lash serum and I need to get some more. Just kind of like put it on your lash line. And that's all for skincare. So when my hair is like damp and I'm about to blow dry it, I've been using this Pureology Heat Protectant Detangler Spray. It smells really good too, so I just kind of like spritz that in my hair. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do, but either I'm gonna use this Jizu honey infused hair oil, either like when my hair's damp or when it's dry. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna do it now. I really like using this on my ends. It kind of just gives like a nice shine. It feels really good in my hair. Yeah, I feel like it kind of helps from my hair getting like really frizzy as well. I am so excited to sleep tonight because I just cleaned my sheets, and nothing is better than getting into a bed and having the first sleep when you wash your sheets. It's literally the best thing ever. And as you guys saw, I put my diffuser on. The diffuser I use is from doTERRA, and I used this essential oil called Serenity, and it's been really relaxing. I haven't used my diffuser in like a while. I literally feel so good and so cozy and like clean. I feel like I really needed to just like pamper myself tonight because I was just not really feeling like myself for a bit. That's okay. Of course, in this video I showed like so much of like pampering and products and like doing my shower, using a face mask, but self-care definitely comes from within. I definitely do think that like doing a face mask, skincare, and everything shower does help with your confidence and like make you feel better, make you feel relaxed in a way, but it definitely comes from recovery and rest and taking time to do things for yourself. Don't forget that we always go through ups and downs, and to take time for yourself if you have been feeling like you've been needing it, and to listen to your body. Recovery and rest is also really important, and nights like these when you take time solely for yourself, do things that you want to do, relax, read a book, you know, get off social media, do all of those things for you, you know, time to time whenever you have time, and try to have a balance. Try to do, you know, some time for yourself as well as all the things that we're balancing day to day and all the things that we have on our plate that we need to get done, like school and work. So yeah, try your best to prioritize and take nights like these and to recharge so that we can put out the best in everything else that we need to do. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this little self-care vlog. I had so much fun filming it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in next week's video.